With the aim of promoting responsible gambling activities, the Quezon City Department held its first international conference addressing gambling issues in the city. Vanessa Cleopas reports.
To educate more the citizen, especially the youth, regarding responsible gambling and gaming, the Quezon City Government and Pagcor conducted a first international conference addressing some issues like addiction. The Quezon City Government, in partnership with the Sigils Flock Organization and the International Gambling Counselor Certification Board, sponsored by Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or Pagcor, led the first ever conference. According to Mayor Joy, many illnesses can result from excessive gambling addiction, which is why they want to inform the public about its possible effects on them as early as now.
Together with our partners, we aim to promote responsible gambling and gaming. Gambling addiction can lead to significant health issues, including mental health disorders like depression and anxiety, and can contribute to substance abuse. Additionally, it can cause financial ruin for individuals and families, leading to increased reliance on social services, higher rates of bankruptcy, and potential increases in crime rates due to financial desperation. Gambling addiction can result in broken families, loss of employment, and social isolation.
The chairman of the Pagcor, Alejandro Tenco, mentioned that while it is challenging to promote responsible gambling among Filipinos, especially since about 1/3 of our population engage in it, they are continuing their efforts to support the goal of Quezon City as well as the national government to reduce gambling and ensure it is conducted properly. He added that they are currently developing a platform aimed at monitoring whether gamers or gamblers are becoming addicted to playing.
It's really difficult for Pagcor to balance between regulating gambling all over the Philippines and at the same time making sure that responsible gaming is practiced. The role now of the present administration of Pagcor is to make sure that we are able to balance gaming and responsible gaming. That is a commitment that I would like to make. But you yourself, if you already feel like now, the tool that is included there is actually monitoring the activity that you have. And it will automatically ban you or alert you that you're already doing excessive gaming. We're looking into it now.
With them or oppose any of their activities. For Sigils, we only really advocate for treatment, prevention, early intervention for people afflicted with disordered or problem gambling, or those who are at risk of problem gambling.
The mayor also mentioned that as part of Quezon City efforts, they have established Helpline 122 for those who wish to seek consultation if they have gaming and gambling problems, especially for the youth who should not be involved in the gambling. When asked about the number of casinos that will be built in Quezon City alongside the upcoming opening of Soler, Mayor Joy provided her response.
As long as I'm the mayor of Quezon City, it will be the only one. Soler will be the only one. And well, that's the answer to your question.
Mayor Joy also emphasized the importance of all Quezon City employees being exemplary in their advocacy for controlling gambling, especially among the youth. The Quezon City government and Soler have agreed that all QC employees are prohibited from entering any casino in Soler. As for Q Citizen, they are required to show proof of sufficient fund before being allowed to play or enter Soler North.
All of the faces of our employees in City Hall ay magpailalagay sa kanilang system, and may facial recognition component yung kanilang system. So kung may pumasok po na empleyado ng City Hall sa kanila, of a flag agad, kahit daw po naka-wig, kahit daw po naka-mask, at kahit na po nakasombrero, napaka-sophisticated ng kanilang system, di ba sir? And mapa-flag po ng empleyado ng pamahalaan and they will be asked, gently naman po, not to embarrass them, to leave the casino grounds. But pwede po silang kumain sa mga restaurants.
Meanwhile, the mayor expressed their desire to receive a percentage from Pagcor gambling revenue, which would help their city address the social costs of individuals struggling with gambling or gaming addiction. Currently, there are 5 cities in the country with a casino hub, namely Parañaque, Cebu, Pasay, Manila, and the newest addition, Quezon City. Pagcor has also promised to include host city in their revenue sharing plan to support their programs aimed at addressing gambling and gaming addiction. This is Vanessa Cleofas for EuroTV News.